Hello and welcome to my home. I'm going to show you a quick way to make some delicious grits in your microwave. Nice cheesy grits. Well, let's get started. You're going to need salt, your favorite brand of grits, a package of cheddar cheese, as well as some American cheese and pepper, and your microwavable dish, and 12 ounces of water. So pour in your 12 ounces of water, a nice cup of grits, and these are the old-fashioned grits. This is not the quick fashion, but the old-fashioned grits. And then we're going to put in about a half teaspoon to a teaspoon of salt. That's to your taste. A few grounds of black pepper. A half cup of cheddar cheese. Now that adds a nice sharpness to the flavor of the grits. That's a nice healthy half cup. 2 slices of regular all American cheese. This is just the packaged cheese that you get over in your dairy section. And we're going to start with cooking this on a medium temperature in your microwave, and we're going to start with about 8 minutes. Now my microwave, I'm going to do high. If you have a high powered microwave, you may want to put it on reduced power, but mine is on full power, and I'm going to start for 8 minutes. There she goes. She's in. Look at it. It's all done. Cheesy grits. Now, sometimes you may find that you may need to add a little water to it. This is a little too thick for me, so you can add water at the end. It's not going to ruin anything, so I'm going to pour a little bit of water. This is how it is right now. You may like it at that texture. I like it a little bit looser. So just a little bit of water. But that's the beauty of cooking in the kitchen. You get to make it to your liking, how you want it to be. You want it thicker, leave it thicker. You want it looser, put a little more water in there. And you still see all that steam coming out. That little bit of water is not going to reduce the temperature by that much. Plus, coming out the microwave, it's pretty hot. So let me go ahead and dish up some, and we'll sit down and taste it. So take another look at those cheesy grits. I'm going to go ahead and get a forkful and taste it for you. So hang in there. Yep, here she goes. I need to take a moment. That is so creamy and cheesy. It got the texture of the grits with the smoothness of the cheese. This is really good and very quick. Fix some for your family.